Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili without beans. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on quality meat. Begin by browning about 1.5 pounds of ground beef or a combination of beef and pork in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Cook until it's fully browned, breaking it up as you go. Once cooked, carefully drain any excess fat from the pot. This step is crucial for a flavorful base. Next, add 1 large chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic to the pot with the brown meat. Sauté these aromatics until they are softened and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Now, it's time for the spices. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon each of smoked paprika and dried oregano. Cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Now, let's build that rich, savory base. Pour in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 1 cup of beef broth. Stir in 1/4 cup of tomato paste and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This adds a nice tang. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook uncovered for at least 45 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, taste your chili and adjust the seasonings. Add salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper if you like a little heat. Serve your delicious bean-free chili hot, garnished with your favorite toppings like shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh chopped green onions. It's perfect for a hearty meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.